Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for stationery and paper goods business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design and customize your site, add content. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so here you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to set up your website and customize it. And also here you can set up without AI. So let's try to set up without AI. So let's get started. Okay, so enter here your business type or your website type. So here you can select your business. Okay, so for example, um, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so enter your store name or your business name. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital or dropshipping products? So this depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize design template. So let's get started from here. Okay, so here you just enter your information, your email, your address, and your phone. Here you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. You can try your best to make your site looks attractive to the customers and to pull more customers to your website. Now let's continue. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. And here you can add pages to your site. Okay. Uh, let's move on. Wait a few seconds to preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor. So as you see here, this is the editor page. So here we have elements, we have sections, site design. So first of all, here we have the text theme. So you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also you can upload or import images. You can customize the themed buttons, text and icon buttons. Here we have the decorative, we have the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. So let's move on. So here we have, uh, if you want to add something new, you just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Let's move on to the next one. So here we have the site design, so you can customize your site design. You can change the color theme or the text theme, the page background or the page transitions. Okay, so first we have here the header section. Okay, so you can change the strip background. You can, if you want to change your site name, you don't have to change it if you want. um, Here you can manage the horizontal menu. So let's move on to the next section. Here we have the section background, so you can change it. You can change the strip background, um, the strip background, the image. Okay, and if you wanna regenerate the text, the paragraph, another one, just click on it and create AI text, and wait a few seconds. So here you can select the type of the section. For example, this is the welcome section, and it's gonna create a text for you. So this is easy and quick. So that's it. If you wanna change the image, just click on it. Okay, so for example, you can choose whatever you like. For example, um, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. That's it. Now let's move on. So this is the product section, so you can manage product. So go on new product, select physical product or digital file. So let's go on physical product. So here you have to customize or manage your product section. So you can create your product here. So here you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos. Also you can add the name, information of your product, the name and the description. You can customize the price and options, the price, and you can turn this on and customize the sale price, discounts. So also here you can customize the inventory and the shipping. So that's it. After you're done, you can save this place and go back, complete the design. So here this is the client section. So as I said, you can change whatever you like here. If you don't like this text, you can just click on it and regenerate another AI. Okay, here this is the about section, like the same thing as normal. If you want to change the background, you can change like the color if you want. Also you can regenerate another AI text. Okay, and like this, easy and quick. If you want to move the section, you can move it just from here, move it up or move it down. Let's move on to the next section. So the same thing as normal, you can change the text and this title here. Okay, let's move on. So this is the last section, the footer section, so you can just enter your company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. Okay, so after you verify, you can just publish your website. Now your site will be published. You can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.